Wouldn't it be great if a simple drink could improve your mood and benefit your overall health? Hi and welcome to 3-Minute Health. Today we have 6 health benefits you can get from drinking rosemary tea. As a medicinal herb, rosemary has been used for thousands of years. Rosemary tea is cheap and easy to make. All you need is a teaspoon of dried rosemary in a cup of freshly boiled water. Allow to infuse for 5 to 10 minutes, then drain, allow to cool and drink. Our list is in no particular order, and during the course of this video, at various times, we will display a key number in the top right-hand corner. This will relate to a piece of scientific research we have linked in the description. Number 6, high in antioxidants. Antioxidants are essential for protecting the body against oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants can play a major role in reducing chronic inflammation and the life-limiting diseases it can cause. There have been several studies into the benefits of rosemary extract and its anti-inflammatory properties. Number 5, regulate mood. Even inhaling the scent from rosemary seems to have a beneficial effect on improving people's mood. A study of 20 participants found that inhaling rosemary oil stimulated brain activity and improved their mood. Another 2-month study, on 66 people, found that drinking 150 milliliters of rosemary-infused water daily reported feeling less stressed and tired than those who didn't. Number 4, aid brain health. Rosemary tea could help delay some age-related neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. Other studies have suggested it may also aid in the recovery of the brain after having a stroke. Number 3, lower blood sugar. Rosemary contains 2 compounds that may help reduce blood sugar. Carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid have been shown in test tube studies to have insulin-like effects. Several studies have shown that these 2 compounds help increase the absorption of glucose into muscle cells. This can lower your blood sugar levels. Number 2, aid eye health. There have been several studies into the benefits of rosemary on eye health and the preservation of vision. Most of the studies have been on animals, so their benefit to us is yet to be determined. One study found that the rosmarinic acid found in rosemary could slow the onset of cataracts. Another study found that the same compounds could slow down macular degeneration. And at number 1 we have aid digestion. Drinking rosemary tea can aid digestion by promoting the growth of healthy gut bacteria and reducing intestinal inflammation. Rosemary extract is often recommended as a treatment for indigestion. There are many more health benefits credited to rosemary and rosemary tea, but we have stuck to the ones that have been researched from a scientific standpoint. As with all herbal remedies, rosemary can affect the way some prescribed medication works. If you are taking medication for blood pressure, diuretics, blood thinning agents, or some antidepressants, then please consult your doctor before taking any rosemary-derived products. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest content.